Okay, I'm going to try to show you how this works with 3x squared minus 2x. So over here, I'm going to use the regular version here. So I have the sum from 1 to 4 of 3x squared minus 2x, and this is a bit sloppy here, but what I've done here is I've done it kind of sideways. So here I sub in a 1, so x is equal to 1, I have this, and then with the 2, I have this, with the 3, I have this, and with the 4, I have that. Okay, and then I evaluate this. So for example, let's look at this. That's 3 times 3 squared. That's 927. Subtract 2 times 3, which is 6. So that gets a total of 21. Okay, so for each of these, I find the sum, or the total, sorry. And then I'm going to sum these up, and I get 70. So I add them up. Now, what I could have done is, at this point here, because there's two different terms here with a plus or minus sign in between, I can break it up as two different summation notations. So because it's a minus, I'm going to subtract, but if this was a plus, I could do the same thing and put a plus in here. Just change all of this work here. So what I do is I get the summation of the first term from 1 to 4. So that's 3x squared from 1 to 4. And when I do that all the way through, I get 3, 12, 27, 48. So I just sub in 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then separately, I do the same thing over here with 2x, and I sub in 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for each of these, I'm not going to subtract them individually. What I'm going to do is get the total, and I get 90. And I get the total, I get 20, and I subtract the 2, and I get 70. Okay, and that shows how that works. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. I probably went a little quickly, but go over it slowly. Maybe pause it and take your time. Take care.